Hello everyone, welcome you guys to MrCoin International channel. In this video, we're going to see what are the next supports of Bitcoin as Bitcoin is in a correction phase. As you can see, after the rally of Bitcoin since early April to around 22nd of May, we have seen that this rally seems to have ended and we are in a correction phase. You can draw the trend line right here and you see that this uptrend line has been broken on 27th of May and the price is currently going down, as you can see very clearly on the chart right here. Okay, it's going down, seen around the end of May. So the question here is whether we should go long or we should go short. For me personally, I think that we should always go with the trends, with the big trend, the general trend on the higher time frame. That gonna guarantee us higher chance of success, of win rate. Okay, sure, like we can go both long and short, but if we go short right now, then probably it's gonna like a little bit more risky as the general trend is still an uptrend. Okay, so we can go to a bigger time frame. Let's move on to the monthly. Okay, monthly time frame. We see that like Bitcoin is still in a big uptrend since the end of 2022. Okay, in the previous video, I have shown you guys the structure of these uptrends. I have drawn out the Elliott wave pattern of this uptrend for you guys to see. And for me personally, I think currently we are in the final phase of the uptrends. We are in the fifth wave. Most likely we are in this phase. Okay, we still have some room to go up for Bitcoin and still take long positions, but the upside gonna be a little bit limited compared to the opportunities unfolded in the end of 2023. That was the best time, but now we can still have some long opportunity for those who trade on the weekly and monthly time frame. But the expected returns gonna be a bit less than that. Okay, so you can see very clearly on the monthly time frame we have a very big and solid uptrend, and you can draw out the trend line, and you can see that we are still in this uptrend. Okay, Bitcoin is still above this trend line. Okay? It's still in a trend on the weekly time frame. Okay, you can use other tools such as moving average. See that like almost all of the moving average is pointing up, is moving upward, and the price is above all of these moving averages. So it's also an indicator of an uptrend. So therefore, I think that we should prioritize going long instead of going short here. But the problem is that um, price had just been in a correction phase for a week or so. Okay, so it just started to correct. Price kind of still high. Okay, so we need to wait a bit for the correction to continue and end before we can find a good entry for going long. I think that Bitcoin price might probably continue to go down. Okay, uh, it has gone down since 23rd of May, and probably there might be a correction up like this for the downward wave. Okay, but then most likely price gonna go down after that and go to the support zone. What are the support zones that we need to observe and wait for entry to happen at those support? I have drawn out right here. The first one is the 99K level, as you can see, 99K level right here. Okay, this level used to be um, touched a lot during the past price action. The second level, I think, is around 23 to, I'm sorry, 93 to 95K level. That's going to be the second zone of support. And the last zone of support is around 88 to 90K. These are the support zone that I think we should look at and wait for the chance to go long on Bitcoin at this level. So that is the plan for now. For now, we are still in a big uptrend started since the end of 2022, and all of the indicators, like I mean, almost all of the indicators, still point out on the continuation of this uptrend. So I think we should prioritizing going along, and we can observe these three support zones to find our entry opportunities. The first one is 99K. uh, it's not very likely that Bitcoin will gonna stop only at this level, but it's still a level that we need to observe. The second one is 93 to 95K, and the third level is 88 to 90K. Okay, so these are my analysis for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys can have good results in the financial market in terms of trading. And always remember to trade within your own means. Don't borrow money to trade, and to always manage risk and embrace risk, as is a core of trading. Thank you guys for your time, and I hope to see you guys again in future videos. Goodbye.